This is our single arm row with a kick. So this is a progression from just the single arm row. We're going to start with a dumbbell. So you might have a bench at home. If you don't have a bench, 2 chairs or a coffee table. Finding our basic position, so having our back knee on the bench, our front hand on the bench. If you feel a lot of pressure through your wrists, you can move forward, just let the fingers come off a little bit, and that just helps reduce the loading by checking that you still have your shoulder over your hand. So drawing the shoulders in and down, finding that length through the spine. If you're having trouble with the length through the spine, go back to finding the video that doesn't have the kick. So just the single arm row. So we keep it the same with our single arm row, drawing our elbow back, keeping our elbow close to our side. Our dumbbell might even turn out slightly, a sense of the shoulder blade drawing across the back. And then we add our kick. So our kick's going to happen with the opposite knee. So as we draw back, we lift our knee, a sense of really using the glutes to contract, to lift, and then coming back down. As you do this, don't be afraid. You'll see my pelvis moves. Don't be afraid to let your pelvis move, especially if you're a runner, and I've given this to you as a strengthening exercise. If we lock in and keep really, really stable, we don't get the cross body action that we're looking for. To progressive, if it's feeling good, drawing back, really lengthening the leg. So starting with the knee bent and stepping up to extend the leg out. Same thing if we want to use a band. I'm going to use a closed end band here, loop it through my hand for ease. If you don't know how to use the bands on the chair for the single arm row, then go to the single arm row with band video, check that out. Same thing, I've anchored my band, I've felt where the good amount of resistance for me is, softness in that knee on the standing leg, and as I kick back, my glutes do the work, and then my leg extends. Let the glutes do the work first, then extend the leg to avoid just using the hamstrings.